Hello, dear wonderful students. I decided to do our morning video from outside today because it's beautiful outside. And we have not done an Operation World in a while. So, I'm going to share Operation World from today. There's a calendar online. You can always look it up and find the Operation World from the day. So today, for April 10th, is China. So, we know a little bit about China. It's the most populated country in the world, fourth largest country in the world by land mass. What else? Some challenges for prayer is China is officially atheist. The government really doesn't want people doing religious stuff, and so they try to limit that. There are a lot of Chinese Buddhists because that's culturally their history, and there are more people coming to know God, which is amazing. So we want to be praying for the people who don't know Him yet, the people who do know Him, and just for their continued ability to serve Him and share about what God is doing. And also, with this whole coronavirus or COVID-19 thing going on, we want to be praying for all the people who are affected by it there in China. So, I'm going to pray, and then I will do If It Were My Home. So, Lord, I thank you so much for the country of China and for the wonderful people that live there. And I just pray that you would bless them, those that don't know you, Lord, that they would just come to know you in this hard time, and those that do know you would have a confidence to share about who you are, as well as just a peace from you in this difficult time. Amen. All right, so if China were your home instead of the U.S., you would be 34% less likely to be unemployed. You would make 81.5% less money. You would be 2.5 times more likely to die as a baby. That's sad. You would die 4.5 years earlier, but you would spend 96% less money on health care, use 87% less oil, 83% less likely to be in prison, wow, 68% less electricity, 79% less likely to be murdered, and have 9% fewer babies. So, that's China. Now, here's the deal. A lot of you did not have the opportunity to do Operation World for bonus points. So, if you would like to do an Operation World, you can do like I just did, make a video of yourself, and you can share whatever country you want to, share a little bit about the country, and then share some of the prayer requests, pray for them, and that's all you need to do. You can send me the video, and if you want to, I can post the video to the class so your classmates can see it, or you can send it to just me, and I can give you bonus points. So, if you want to do it, you can, but you don't have to. Other announcements, guys, please make sure that you are getting your revision assistant done. I don't want you working on it over the weekend. I want you to have a weekend. And make sure Monday you come to your mandatory homeroom meeting with Ms. Shaw and Ms. Schmidtke and myself. Okay, I miss you guys, and come see me on Zoom. Okay.